So the meal I'm making is called sweet potatoes and plantain porridge. To start off with, we have our sweet potatoes. We also have the plantain. We have palm oil, some smoked Titus fish, uziza and scent leaf. Both of them combined gives the meal a very nice smell, texture and flavor. Also have some peppers. So in here we have rodo, onion, ginger, garlic and one bell pepper. This is going to be blended roughly together. Have some crayfish and our season, which is just salt, pepper and knorr cube. So to start off with, we are going to start by just boiling our sweet potatoes for a while. Cover it before adding the plantain. So now the potatoes are getting soft. So we're just going to take our plantain and just chop it, cut it inside. We can either use ripe plantain or ripe plantain, anyone works fine. We're just going to cut that in and then just close it for another 5 minutes. Then let's come to the blender and just roughly blend our peppers, because when this is ready we have to put everything in. So the potatoes and so as I said, on low heat, we'll just leave that to simmer for like a minute or two so the veggies can cook in well with the meal. So now our meal is ready and there it is. It smells amazing and looks really good as well. And then the smoked fish as well makes it taste really good. There we have it, our sweet potato and plantain porridge. I really hope you enjoyed this video.